Dr. Mukul Sangmao nong yalam jong kaseng TMC Meghalaya batu menteri rangba berim ke sorka jela ula therting ya kaseng Indian National Congress bat ula penpai kela ya ke jingong jong nong yalam ke Congress Ujairam Ramesh ubala ong bat kinto ba kaseng TMC ke Khlem up ya ke por ban ya rai lang ban Pynbna ya ke Kyrtong ki Kyrtong MP na kaliang u Dr. Sangmao ong ba ke TMC kala up la biang bah ke por Henry kaseng Congress kala da Pynbna no iki Kyrtong MP na kebenta ke Meghalaya hautayo baladep Khlem dala up ula ong ba ke jing bat ke Congress kalong bakila ya light na ka kam balaya kren.
Yeah, we have waited long enough, and I think one can see the whole country has been observing us, waiting patiently. There was a collective intent to have single candidate from the India bloc to ensure that we put our strength collectively and aggregate our strength. But this has not happened. Now, if Congress today says that TMC has not waited and gone ahead with the announcement of all the 42 candidates in West Bengal, I think they should be reminded of the fact that the Congress is probably not grounded with what is on the ground zero. There's a complete delink from the ground reality. Is it not a fact that they have already gone ahead and announced their candidature in respect of Meghalaya? Meghalaya, there are 2 seats. Out of the 2, Congress has already gone ahead and then announced their seats, announced their candidates.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.